and thank you for joining. Today we're going to be discussing the new NDSPro.biz site. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser, either Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox. In the URL, you're going to want to enter www.ndspro.biz. In the username and password fields, you're going to want to use the same credentials that you use to log into your laptop or your email. Once you enter credentials, you can press login and it will take you to the home page. The icons on the home page will take you to the sections of this site. Above it, you'll find a search bar that can be used to look up keywords in the site. To the right of that, you'll find our social media sites, as well as a description of the site. Below that, you'll find updates, you'll find news, who's contributing and how much, the word of the day, and the national weather. In the top left-hand corner, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines. These are links to our external websites. To the right of that, you'll find our NDS logo. At any time you need to get back to the home page, you can click this and it will return you back to the home screen. To the right of the logo, you'll have a Spaces drop down, which gives you a direct link to your most recently used sites, as well as a directory of the sites. To the right of that, you'll have a People's link. This will take you to all the profiles of the users that contribute and view. With this section, we'll be able to build out our own profiles, keeping track of our job descriptions, departments, and locations, as well as keep track of our most recent activity. You can edit your profile by clicking Edit Profile in the top right-hand corner, which will then allow you to make those changes. Click Save. It'll take you back to your screen. Now we'll click on the NDS logo to take us back to the home screen. The first space we're going to jump into is the Applications space. When you click on this icon, it'll take you to a section. On the left-hand side, you'll have a list of all of the applications that we use within the network. When you click on the link, it'll take you to a section that will give you a description of the application, provide a screenshot, how it can be found, and some background information about the application. You'll also notice at the bottom of this screen that there is a section for videos on how to perform certain functions, as well as certain user documentation. We'll go ahead and click on the SysPro client as well. Again, you'll see a description, how it's found, a screenshot of the application, and background information about the application. You scroll down to the bottom, you'll find videos on how to perform a certain function, e-learning, and user guides. The next space we're going to go over is the Download section. This location is where we'll be storing company documents like request forms, reference guides, and handbooks. On the left-hand side, you will notice a link to a specific department. When you click on the link, it'll take you to the documents for that section. If you have documents that you want to contribute to this section, you can simply drag and drop them in the bottom. The next space we're going to be talking about is the Reports space. This location is where we'll be storing all the information about the reports that are available within the network. At the bottom of this page, you'll have a description of what types of reports are available. In the left-hand column, there are 3 separate sections for where reports come from. This will be built based on user requests. Right now we have open orders, which is a highly used report within the company. When you click on this particular report, it will provide you a description of what the report is. It'll give you a screenshot of what it is and some videos on how to use that report. The next space we'll be going over is the product knowledge space. This is where we have a central location for all company knowledge regarding our products. As contributions are made, they'll appear in the left-hand side. The next space we'll be covering is the websites space. This space is dedicated towards compiling all of our company websites that we use. Here you'll find links for Q4Biz, reporting services, our YouTube channel, LinkedIn profile, as well as the expense reporting and Amex travel site. The next space we're going to cover is the standard operating procedure space. This location is dedicated towards compiling instructions that pertain to functions and procedures here at NDS. The left-hand side page tree is broken down by the organizational chart. As we drill into the page tree, we'll be able to find specific information for specific functions. If you need assistance with the format, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. If you find a specific set of standards that you want to follow, in the top right-hand corner, you'll find a watch icon. When you click this, it will automatically associate this page with your profile. Anytime that this page gets changed, you'll get an email notifying you that this page changed. Also, if you are going through to create a set of instructions and you wish to share, you can click the share button, enter in the username or group, and add a note, and you'll share this with that username or group. The last space is the technology space. We'll be covering this with a future video. Now that we understand what each space does, let's jump into learning how to contribute. Go ahead and find the section that you want to contribute to. Drill down into the subject. Click Create in the top left-hand corner. You'll notice that there are several templates that you can choose from. For this particular example, we're just going to go ahead and use a blank template. Enter in a title, some content. You can also copy and paste information directly out of Word. You can even copy and paste pictures directly into each document. Click Save in the bottom right. Now, if you wish to share this with somebody, you enter in their name or email address. You can enter in a note and click Share. Anytime that this page is updated, that person that you shared it with will get a note. If you are an audience member and wish to watch a certain page, you can click Watch. This will automatically update you in the event that this page changes. In the event that a page that you're following has changed, in the top right-hand corner, you can click on the Open Notification icon, and it will give you a breakdown of what documents have changed. If you're interested in no longer following a certain page, you can click Stop Watching. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of the new NDSPro.biz site. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can reach me at extension 1004 or via email at danielfields@ndspro.com. Thanks again.